Have you ever felt the frustration of running out of data while exploring a new city or getting hit with insane roaming charges? Well, worry no more. Stick around because by the end of this video, you'll be ready to unleash the full potential of your device when traveling. Hey fellow adventurers, I'm Saab Johal and welcome back to my channel. Today we're delving into the world of eSIMs and why having an extra eSIM for data is an absolute game changer when you're on the road, wherever you may find yourself. Let's start with what an eSIM actually is. Let's break it down. An eSIM, or embedded SIM, not electronic SIM, is a digital version of the physical SIM card that we're all familiar with. But unlike traditional SIMs, eSIMs are built right into your device, eliminating the need for those pesky physical swaps. Many modern smartphones and other gadgets come equipped with eSIM technology. You'll need to do a check on your device, but I've listed some of the current ones at the time of publishing this video in the description. Now, let's talk about why having an extra eSIM for data is a travel must-have. Imagine the freedom of having a separate eSIM just for data while keeping your primary number untouched. No more crazy roaming charges or the hassle of buying local SIM cards in every new destination that you go to. Let me cover 3 great benefits of using an eSIM like I used on my recent trip to Japan, where it worked flawlessly as my data connection all over the country. Benefit 1, seamless connectivity. You can keep your primary phone number for calls and texts while enjoying hassle-free, on-the-go data connectivity wherever you are. Benefit 2, convenience. No more hunting around for local SIM cards when you arrive. Activate your extra eSIM remotely and you're good to go. And benefit 3, cost efficiency. Save big on roaming charges and avoid the markup on tourist-specific SIM cards. They can be pretty expensive compared to local service charges. If this sounds like the sort of thing that would be useful for you when traveling for work or fun, here's a quick guide on getting an eSIM for data. I'm using BNESIM, who I've partnered with to get at least 20% off your data plan. They have other special offers going on all the time too. Step 1. Check if your device supports eSIM technology. Step 2. Contact your carrier or a data-specific eSIM provider. I'm using BNESIM with their app, which has just been redesigned and relaunched and works really well. Stay tuned and I'll walk you through how to use it. Step 3. Follow the instructions from your provider, or you can manually enter what you need according to the instructions from your provider in your device settings. So let me walk you through this example of me setting up a data eSIM using the BNESIM app for me to use in Japan or the USA. And I'll show you the regional, mini global and global plans too if you're taking a bigger trip. I've also set the currency to US dollars, as that's what most people often use when comparing prices internationally. Okay, let's start off here on the home screen of the BNESIM app, and you can see some of the special offers here that they've got on the home screen at the moment. Okay, let's set this up as if we were going to go and use an eSIM in Japan. So we can just search here and look for Japan, and we can select the Japanese icon, and you can see here some of the options here available for you for subscription first and then lifetime data. So that means it doesn't expire. You can just buy that package, or a one-time if you just need a 7-day or 30-day package. But the cheapest option is to buy a subscription, and you can have that ongoing, or you can just cancel it after you've bought it if you just need it for that one-off, whether it's a week or a month, and you save a little bit of money if you choose that option. Okay, let's do this again, and let's look at USA this time. You can see it's a little bit cheaper. There's the lifetime data option, so if you need 3 gigs, you're going to be there for a while. You just need to make sure that whilst you're roaming, you've got access to that. There's the one-time option as well, and that cheaper subscription offer too. You get more data for around about the same money there. Okay, let's look at a regional plan this time, and let's look at Europe. And you can see the sorts of options that may be available to you. Okay, selecting Europe, and you can see the sorts of prices are available there for a subscription. 5 gigs for about $12, and that's a recurring monthly subscription. And let's have a look at the sorts of countries that would be covered by that. Click through here, it's got 30 countries coverage here. And let's click to see some of those countries identified. And you can scroll down the list here and you may see the countries that you're interested in, just to give you an idea as the sort of coverage that you'll get with an eSIM with that regional plan from BNESIM. Okay, let's go back and let's have a look at the mini global. So this is a limited set of global countries that are most often traveled. And you can see the sorts of prices here with the subscription model or the one-time model as well. And you can go into the app and look at this yourself, or on the website if you don't want to download the app. Okay, let's look at and see what sort of countries are covered here. 56 countries. And let's have a look at that list. Just scroll down quickly and you can see the countries that are covered by a mini global eSIM plan. So if you are traveling around quite a lot, if you have a lifestyle like that, this may be the sort of thing that could cover you, or if you've got a particularly busy month. And just to let you know that there is also a global plan that is available too. And you can see the one-time and subscription options there that you could choose. I'm not going to list all the countries there, but there are 102 of them.
And there you have it, folks. The wonders of eSIMs and the incredible freedom an extra eSIM for data brings when you're on the move. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, hit subscribe, and share it with your fellow Globetrotters. Thanks for tuning in today. If you have any questions or want to share your eSIM experiences, drop them in the comments below. Until next time, safe travels, stay connected, and keep exploring. This is Saab Johal signing off. Cheers.